cutoff wheels. Cutoff wheels, just like abrasive belts, are very important as well. You have different wheels made for different grades of steel. You have wet, you have dry, you have different speeds that they can operate at. Cutoff wheels. There are several different cutoff wheels for different material, and not each cutoff wheel will operate the same. You have the dry cutoff wheel, which will have a fiberglass reinforcement. Inside you'll see that little picture frame. I don't know how well you can see it in the video. Dry cutoff wheels typically run at a faster RPM, but that's all based on wheel size. Wet cutting wheels will have a smoother finish than the wet cutting wheels, and the operational speed of the wheel again will change with wheel size. For example, this 7-inch cutoff wheel's maximum operating speed is 7,000. This dry cutoff wheel's maximum operating speed is 6,112. So what this number is telling us is we cannot take it past this operating speed, where we'll just end picking out wheels. There's several wheels, different grades, designed for different materials. Some rule of thumb is the harder the material, the softer the wheel. Then the softer the material, the harder the wheel. That's the general rule of thumb, and it will take you several times possibly to find the right wheel that will cut the material to your taste.